Hello guys, welcome back. So today we'll continue our design series, and welcome back to the second part, or the part 2 of our design. Yeah, so we'll be designing the third, the fourth, and any other screen. That's what we are going to be doing today. Okay, in the first video we designed the first and second screen, so we will now take up this other one. Yeah, start from here. So first we're going to download this property. Going to download it, then as usual export. Okay, yeah, so we just have to preview to make sure that we're downloading the right thing. Okay, and then we come to our FlutterFlow. We add a page, the sign in page. We call it create blank sign in page, sign in. So we say create. Alright, okay, since it's similar to this page, we just have to duplicate. Let's duplicate this other page. Oh, this one is sign up, not sign in. Let's duplicate, call this one sign up. Then we just have to delete this one, delete. Okay, so the second one is sign up, and we will have to zoom in. We need to duplicate because here we have the name widget there, so we just have to put the name widget. So what do? First, let's duplicate this. Let's see. Okay, let's duplicate this. Duplicate. Alright. And let's duplicate this as well. Duplicate. Move this here. Then we give this one a name. Then the hint text here is going to be name too. Where is it? I think oh, I passed it. Oh, my mouse is so bad in scrolling. Okay, again. Alright, so this is it. Say name, enter name, enter name. Alright, sorry about that. I think my mouse is having some problems. So we turn this to sign up. Yeah, sign up, and then this one is going to be signing instead, not sign up. Signing. I don't have an account, or already have an, this one is going to be already have an account. Already have an account, signing. Okay, we are moving forward, and then we change this image to what is there on the design. Okay, say upload. I'm gonna upload this one. let's have a look. Okay, I think we've gotten this. Alright, that's fine. So the next one, we move to this other one. Okay, what's your gender? Then put this grade 1 to 5, grade 6 to 9, and so on. Yes, and this is a learning application. Yes, so they need to know which age group you are so that they can recommend the right content for you. Then we need to just create a new page entirely. Yes, a new page. Create. What's the name of this page? Grade screen or grade selection. Call it grade selection. Okay. Grade selection. Create page. We come to here. This is our widget tree. Click here. We write this inside a container. Wrap widget inside a container. Then we make the container expandable, infinity. Alright. So what we do is we insert a text, then we insert a drop box. Alright. Insert the text, then the text is 25 in size and semi-bold, so we say no 25 25 and semi-bold. Then we have here, let's copy the text. When you copy, you need to paste it immediately. If not, it's gonna paste a whole random link like that on this page, so you just need to paste it fast to get the text from Figma. Alright, then this one is what we want to do next. Then we can put it inside a container. Okay, or we should just leave it. Let's just insert it here first. Drop down. Yes, it dropped down. Yep. Let me see how I can edit this. Okay, width, height. So we need to go back and check the width, height of each of these things. I would just like to set the width to infinity while the height to 60, right? So just make the width to be expandable. Yes, the height is 60. Okay, the width, okay. Now we need to add some properties to our column. I think we were using 20 by the side and 20 on the right, 20 on the left and right. Okay, so what next? This one's supposed to be, okay, they're supposed to all be aligned left, right? Put some space in here. Um, 20. Yes, we're moving forward. Yes. Okay. So we have grade 1 to 5 in select, grade 1 to 9, and so on. So we are going to write that where we have the select. Grade 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 6 to 9, and 10 to 11. Okay, the text size is 18 and semi-bold, so we say 18. Then semi-bold. Okay, so we duplicate this. Yeah. Then we give this one a pattern of 10 to separate it from the other 10. Then we edit this. This is 6 to 9. 6 to 9. Duplicate again. This one is 10 to 11. 10 to 11. 10 to 11. Then we duplicate again. The next one is 18 to 12. 13 to 12. Okay, the spacing from here to here is 49. That is almost 50. So 49 from the text here. 49. Okay. Then we need to insert button, the skip button, 2 buttons. So we can copy that as we're using elements. We can copy that, come to home, the one we named home. Let's copy this. Then we paste it. We come back, copy this one, come here, we paste it. Here, I think there's something we need to do. Shift these things to the middle. Then we need to wrap them inside the column or inside the row first. Wrap wizard inside the row. Okay, that's it. They are appearing in the horizontal format. Then we need to wrap this one inside a column now. Average rate inside a column, and then we put this one inside the column too. And we want the skip to be down. You just have to take this one up. Okay, then we push them to the center like this. Okay, then we give the row a pattern from top. $200, that's much. Let's see, 200. Oh, I gave it at the bottom. Okay, skip. Alright, so we are able to achieve that design in few minutes, and that's great. So move on to the next one, which is this one. Yeah, so I've seen it already. You know, we have to copy some things, like you just have to do some smart work here. We copy some things, like we're going to duplicate this page and edit it. That's just what we are doing. So we say duplicate page, we name this one after this page, screen selection 1, expand. Okay, screen selection expand. So screen selection, going to add an expand to the name. Okay, great selection, sorry. So it's a great. Expand. Great selection expand. How the name is kind of way too long, but let's just let it be. Okay, so grid selection expand. This is what I want. The text is, what's your grade? Okay, what's your grade? Okay, still kind of the same, but we just have to delete. I think we have to. Oh, we didn't delete, we only added this one. So we have art, science, mathematics, commerce. Okay, so let's do that. Come back and let's look at that again. Okay, we have to place this 2 in a row, 2 in a row. It's 148 by 53, 148 by 53. So go here, let's insert another row. Let's copy this and paste. Copy, Ctrl V, we paste, then 153, right? Yeah, 148 by 53. One 148 by 53. Alright, we need to bring it up so we can see what we are doing. And okay, let's take this one down. Okay, so this one is up now, and we have to reduce this pattern here. let's reduce it first to 80. I mean. Even this one, we need to reduce it. It's too much. 30. Okay. So let's continue with this. Let's remove this at the moment. Okay. So we duplicate, and then we align them to separate from each other. This way. Alright. Come back again, and then control copy. Just copy this color here. Then we say we're going to add that color to this color. We are changing the background color as seen in the design. Okay. An icon. We have an icon here. We have something art. So we just need to come here and look for a similar icon. Art. Ooh. Okay, let's see if we can download this icon. If we download it, we need to insert it as an image. That's one. So we just have to use an icon there. You just have to use an icon there. I used to see that icon in Sketched. Let me check this one. Does this icon have a name? Okay, it's from text. Okay, let's just look for something similar and impute it there. Let's say something like this. And we say art. The text color is black. Then this one we can just choose a color, since there's no official color chosen there. You can just choose a color for the icon color can be I don't know, something like gold. Yes, something of that nature. Let me see how this goes. I just want to choose a random color that shows for us to see. Okay, so let's just leave that one that way, and then for the text color, change it to primary text. No. Ctrl Z. just undo the action. Okay, that was field color. Here is text color, primary text. Okay, so the next one is signs. We have here signs, so signs, let's change this. We add an icon to it. We call it signs. Signs. There is kind of was kind of a microscope or something. Telescope. Signs. Let's look for a symbol that best describes the name. Signs. Schema. Okay, we can use this one as well. Yeah, signs. Let's use this one. Okay. So we just have to duplicate this one again and edit it to achieve this one. We have math and commerce. We say math, and then the icon, we change it to what? Math. Matters. Okay, there was a triangle there, so let's say triangle. Things for the right angle triangle. Right. No. Right angle triangle. Okay, we don't have that. Let's do something else. Triangle. Like, okay, let's say maths. I think there was more icon when we say math. Matters. I want an icon that can this is ash. Okay, math. Then this one is e-commerce or commerce instead. They said commerce, not e-commerce. Commercial. Commerce, or let's say selling. Buying and selling. Let's say buy. I think it was kind of 1, 2, 3 that was there. Okay, let's choose this one. I don't know what I'm choosing, but I'll just choose anything to save our time. When we get the right icons, we fix them in the right places. So this one is commerce. Right. Add some spacing below. Okay. And some spacing below too from here. Okay, so alright, I think that's the only changes we had to do. Okay, it looks like this actually shows down when the user clicks this. Okay, I think we'll work on that more when we are doing the backing of this particular design. Okay, we'll work on that when we are doing the backing. So let's proceed, work on that. This actually appears when the user clicks on this, then this arrow turns up. Work on that in details during the backend. So the next page is this one here. Okay, so we have provenance selection. Okay, provenance selection, and I think we can still duplicate this page again to achieve that. You say duplicate, copy this. So we say provenance selection. So in this one, we just have to get rid of this drop downs. Okay, we leave this one because here we have something similar to that, so we just have to duplicate. Here's duplicate, 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 and then we get what we want. Then we edit it and we move on. Hope you're enjoying the simple design interface and how it smoothly is going. And just keep practicing. Watch the video over and over again if you do not understand any concept, and try doing out other designs yourself so that you could gain more experience on using FlutterFlow interface. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like it, and you can as well share with your friends. Drop your amazing comments and recommended video you want me to do in my next kind of video making. Okay, so let's duplicate this. Duplicate again. It's in here. We have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So we 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have one more row, and this guy will have to go. Yep. So give this guy 10. I think that is fine. Is the spacing too small? Let me check out. The spacing is 16, so let's use 16. So all along I've been using 10 for the other screen, but here is 16, so let's just make it 16 here. We can as well change others to be 16 to make our design more unique. Alright, so we have central, eastern, north central, northern, northwestern, and Sabaragamuwa. Oh, I just hope I got that right. Okay, so we have the southern, then over, and western. Let's go first. We have the central and the eastern. So we just have to change this here without the icons. That means we remove the icons, then we change this to central, and this one was either eastern, my writing, was it western or eastern? Let me check again. Okay, it was eastern, not okay, yeah. Then this one we have north, central, and northern. So we have north, central, and here we have northern. Okay. So after that we have what again? We have northwestern, and this weird name. North. Yes. Western, and then oh, let me just copy this because I don't want to cut my tongue. Let me copy this word and paste it here. Alright. Then we then have southern and over. Southern. So we have the southern, then we have this word, and the last one is what? Western. So remove the icon from this one, and we are almost done. We go to the fill color, this one, copy, and let me check the pattern. Okay, every other thing is just in that color except this one. So we say text color. This is primary text. primary text. Okay, I think we are done with this design. Okay, yes, we're done with this particular screen. And coming up next, we are going to work on this one. Yes, we're working on this one called the Explore Screen 1. Then we get to Explore Screen 1 full and Explore Screen 1 full expand. You can see it's expand. The name is so fitting. Alright, so I believe that you have learned something interesting from we have been able to tackle more than 4 pages. Yes, 4 pages, and that is enough for you to start gaining your grounds and basics of how to design with FlutterFlow. So coming up next, we're going to design these other screens, and then we are done with the design. And thank you for watching, and thank you for staying up. Thank you for sitting disciplined to design and learn. And I just pray that you keep doing that and doing it every day so you get better and better. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video, subscribe to our channel, share it in the groups you belong, WhatsApp group and other platforms, invite your friends, and then we'll keep growing.